See, that right there is a lesson that you never know. Your current clients might have more than one business, and you had no idea. And now you're able to increase your LTV. So now I'm getting 6 months at $3K a pop. Now I'm getting 6 months at $4,500 now.
Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to my channel. I run a multiple seven-figure agency, so make sure you subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
The only thing I don't have is the time. Like the money I got.
Okay, what is the niche? I need to know this.
Mobile detailing. I have a mobile detailing in Virginia.
You have a mobile detailing? Dude, I just had someone sign up 10 minutes ago that does mobile detailing.
Yeah, I saw that. But I didn't even know that you were offering that offer.
Bro, I literally work with every fucking niche except CBD, cannabis, MLM. I mean, things that are not compliant for Facebook. And I have two more ad accounts that I can use for you. So if you want to do the mobile detailing, I know you're saying you don't have the time, but the thing is, like, do you have a Google My Business? Do you have a website already, or would you need a new funnel?
Yeah. No, everything is ready. A funnel, I can get a funnel ready within 24 hours.
Well, no, you don't need to do the funnel. I need you to just get on an onboarding call, and I can take it from there.
Okay, let's do that.
Okay, but that deal is cheaper because you're already a client. So it's just half off.
Okay. So what if I want to do two companies? What can you do for me?
That's what I just said. It's half off. You're combining them.
Okay. So let's do that. Yeah, let's do that. Send me the invoice.
Okay. All right. Which card are we using? Because you got like 9 cards.
No, I'm not even.
Is this a different card?
Yeah, because I try to keep all those finances separate.
Okay. If I send it to you, can you take care of it right now or no?
In the next 10 minutes. I'm just in the post service right now.
Oh, that's fine. All right. I'll send you the link right now. And then, it's just going to be it's going to be the 3-month commitment. Just like the other one, but obviously it is, cheaper because you already had one business with us. You don't have to do the 6 months like you did for the other one. This one's just going to be a 3-month commitment. Okay.
Okay, no problem. And for this one, after the first month, can I just pay off the other 2 months upfront?
I mean, you can. Of course you can, man. I mean, I can give you a bulk discount on that, but I just want to get you actually started. I don't want to jump to too many conclusions, but I'm just trying to take care of you, bro. That's all.
No problem. I mean, for that one, I'm not running that company. I have other people that run it, so I never really even be on it.
Okay, well, as long as you can get me in contact with those people, then I'll take care of you. Don't worry, okay?
Okay, no problem. Just send me the invoice. Is it still possible for me to do it by wire?
I do not do wires, bro, because that's just a shit show. No offense, but I just only do wire. Like, the wires just make fulfillment and just my payment process just so long.
Oh, okay. I get what you're saying.
Yeah, especially for 1,500, man. Like, no shot to anybody, but I'm not doing $1,500 wires. The only people who wire me are my clients who spend over 20, 30 grand a month.
Makes sense. Okay.
So I just sent it to you. So just get it done in the next 15 minutes. Text me back, and then I'll send you the link for onboarding, and then I'll take care of you on this one. All right, buddy?
Okay, no problem. The moment I'm done here, the post service.
Okay.
Clear that payment, and I'll give you everything that you need.
Okay, cool.
And then, quick question.
Yeah.
I think I might have about 2 or 3 companies. I got a beard brand company I just bought, and I want to bring it back up on the ads. I think I might be able to clear up everything, close up on that deal.
Okay.
Everything. When can we get on board with that?
I mean, I can get you on board on that in the next week or 2. I mean, it just depends, man. I'm not trying to just take your money. I want it to actually be sustainable. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want you to go buy a business and then we have hardships in the beginning. So make sure you have all the assets possible. Then we can move forward, because I don't want to overwhelm you or just feel like I'm just trying to sign you onto shit. All right.
No, I wouldn't be doing it if I wasn't able to be happy with what I'm signing up.
Okay. No, I understand, man. But you understand where I come from. I come from setting expectations. That's why I have a lot of business, man. I don't fuck people over. So I'm just trying to take care of you. So just let me know what you want to do with that. Take care of this invoice once you're done, whatever you're doing at the post office, and then I'll send you the links. We'll get you on board. And if you got any questions about that second business, just keep me posted on it, and then we'll take care of that when you get all the details finalized.
Okay. Thank you so much.
All right, Travis. Appreciate you, bro. Thanks again, man.
Quick question.
Yeah.
Are you able to do marketing for podcasts? There's a podcast I want to invest in.
For a podcast?
Yeah, I don't do any work at all.
Okay. I mean, I can do podcasts, but that's not really a marketing. That's more on a monetized thing. The podcast marketing is more SEO on YouTube and then, video edits for Instagram. That's what podcast marketing would look like. You could run a small amount of ads to it, but it's not going to be something where, hey, I spent $1,500 in ads, but I got back a little bit amount of money. The attention's more so for the podcast itself. They have apparel or other things. So that's the only thing about podcast marketing.
Okay. Well, let me know whatever you can about that. You can shoot it to me in a text message or on Instagram.
Yeah, that's fine.
Do whatever we can do.
Okay, cool, man.
I'm not one of those people worried about return on investment. As long as something is going out, something is going out.
Yeah. All right, man. Sounds good, bro. Appreciate it, man. I will send you the onboarding link for this, and then we'll get this rocking and rolling for you.
All right, thank you.
All right, man. Peace. See, that right there is a lesson that you never know. Your current clients might have more than one business, and you had no idea, and now you're able to increase your LTV. So now I'm getting 6 months at $3,000 a pop. Now I'm getting 6 months at $4,500 now because I'm bundling two businesses, and then he has two other businesses that he wants to give me. So another question, even I am susceptible to this, is that I have no idea that he had two other businesses, which makes me understand now, like, shit. I realize that a lot of people, not that shiny object syndrome is a bad thing, but it's hard for people to have more than one business, but it's also very easy for them to buy other businesses and try to supplement other cash flow. So that's a good lesson to learn, that you never know that your current clients might have other things in the works that you, since you've already brought value to them, can bring them more value. So that's an awesome lesson right there. And that's just a quick, $4,500 deal real quick. So thank you guys for watching this. This should definitely inspire you to go call your current clients right now and see what else they have going on and see how you can upsell and use your previous leverage and trust to then get them to buy more. So it's all about the upsell. Thanks.